हे गर्ल्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। वैसे तो हम मेकअप हर बार करते हैं, इसलिए आज मैंने सोचा है कि आज हम कुछ अलग करेंगे। आज हम हेयर स्टाइल्स करेंगे। तो चलिए चेहरे के साथ साथ बालों को भी सुंदर बनाते हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो गर्ल्स, here is hairstyle number 1. Take a front section hair, separate it into 3 equal sections. Tie it as a normal braid. Now secure it on the opposite sides at the back of your hair and pin them with a bobby pin. You're done with your hairstyle. अब बारी है hairstyle number 2 की. Take your front hair, twist it, add hairs in it and twist it again. Do it till your ears. Hide it in the back section of your hair with a bobby pin. Spread it with your fingers with little bit. Now again do the same thing on the other side. Twist it and spread it with your fingers, and then it's amazing, right? Up puff hairstyle. Comb your hair, then take a front section of your hairs, slightly back comb it, and then twist it little and secure it at the back of your hair. Make sure you have to make a puff, slightly puff. And then take a right section of your hair like how I am doing. Twist it, secure it with a bobby pin. Do the same thing on the other side too. Secure it. You have your puff twist. Hairstyle number 4. Take your hair in the front. Separate it in big equal sections. Now take a small section into left side and take a left small section into right side. Do it till the end. That's it. Secure it with a rubber band. Spread the braid a little with your fingers and you're done. अब हमारा last hairstyle. So to begin with, we are gonna separate it into 2 equal sections. Put the other section hair back and one in front. So to move on with, tie a normal braid at the end, secure it with a rubber band. Do the same thing on the other section as well. Secure it with a rubber band. Tie a normal braid. And then take it 2 braids, twist it till the end and secure it with the rubber band. and remove rest of your rubber bands. Dun, dun, your hairstyle is done. Secure it with the bobby pins and you're done. Lag raha hai na pretty hairstyle? So girls, these are the beautiful and perfect hairstyles, so easy. That's all guys, and hope you like my video. Give your review in the comment section box below and comment box below. And that's all guys, I love you all and take care till then. Bye bye. See you all in another video. Subscribe to my channel, which is given here the link. Subscribe it and like it. Bye bye.